Hey, I'm Nasrin, and I run Texartech, an art and technology studio in Austin. Today is a big moment. We're unboxing our Create 3D printer. Let's do it.